അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, today's special is restaurant style green peas and paneer gravy which can be served with chapatis or pulao. Ingredients: 200 grams green peas, 200 grams paneer cut into cubes, 2 onions cut into long thin slices, 2 large tomatoes pureed, small piece of ginger finely cut, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, 3 to 4 garlic pods, 1 cup coconut milk taken from freshly grated coconut, coriander leaves, 1 spoon cumin seeds, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon chilli powder, Kashmiri one, 2 spoons of dhaniya powder, half spoon Garam Masala and half spoon Amchur powder. In a kadai, heat 2 spoons of oil. Add ginger, garlic, chillies and onions. Fry this until the onion turns golden. Add turmeric powder, chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala and amchur powder and give the mixture a good stir. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. While the mixture cools, heat 2 spoons of oil in the kadai and add jeera and let it splutter. Add the paneer cubes and the green peas and stir well. Add some water and salt in the kadai. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, transfer the fried onions and masalas into a mixing jar. Add cashews to their mixture and grind it into fine paste, adding water as required. Remove the lid of the kadai and add the ground paste to it. Mix the contents well and add the tomato puree as well. Let the gravy boil for some time on a medium flame. Once the gravy becomes thicker, add the coconut milk. Switch off the flame and garnish with coriander leaves. Your Matar Paneer is now ready to be served with pulkas, plain paratha or pulao. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.